Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video, but that I find very interesting, answering 3 questions that you have left me in relation to a video that I made about. Never buy an engine that have this problem. Look, the problem the engine has is that it spits oil through the dipstick, through the oil dipstick support, as I say. You have left me several questions, and I am going to answer 3 of the questions. The first, someone believes that it is normal for engines to spit some oil out there? No, it is not normal. This is normally caused by a compression problem in the cylinders due to wear, whether it is segment wear or wear of the cylinder itself. Sometimes it can even be a crack or breakage of one of the pistons or several, and then that causes excess pressure and causes the oil to come out through there. It can also be caused by a clogged PCV question. How to know if it is a problem of clogged PCV or wear of the piston rings? Well, this is known by doing the cold test. You start the engine, as was the case in this case, having just started the engine, and it is already starting to leak oil, spitting oil out there. If it were a problem of the clogged PCV, this would take time. But if it is a problem of excess, for example, wear on the piston rings, as was this case, as soon as you start the engine, it starts to leak oil. You see that it is a very simple test without having to disassemble anything. And someone also asks, let's see if blue smoke should also come out of the exhaust pipe. Yes, since it is a wear of the piston rings, and just as the compression drops towards the crankcase, the oil that lubricates the pistons also drops. It would burn in the combustion chamber. Indeed, look. There you see that it is burning oil. Well, here you have this short video. If it has been useful to you, then don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.